So the last couple of days we've had a lot of breakdowns, and I've been handing a lot of tools to my brother and my dad. You know, I kind of got thinking harvesting sugar beets is sort of like a race, but at 3 miles an hour. We're going around in circles, harvesting as much as we can, and when something breaks down, we kind of pull out of the race and start fixing stuff, and they'll fix it as fast as they can so they can get back in the race, because we want to get these beets out of the ground before weather comes, and also you're running a large crew, and so every day is expensive for the farmers. And so yeah, when something breaks down, we just pull over to the pits and we just start working on it. The other thing about farming is when something does break down, you have to fix it yourself. It's not like you take these big machines into the old auto shop. You're in a rush, so you have to fix them out in the field. And then sometimes you have to kind of make parts or improvise a little bit. So it's just kind of interesting, the ingenuity of farmers and the creativity that they'll come up with to put things together and get the job done.
Can I see a hammer?
Yep.
Okay, one more.